We're off to Lapland UK here in Manchester. This year Father Christmas needs a little extra help getting ready, and we're heading through one of his magical portals to see how everything comes together. We'll be heading straight to his workshop to help him make a polar bear that a child has wished for Christmas. Then it's over to the Lapland Bakery to make our own gingerbread, before dropping off at the Elven Village for a little bit of ice skating and some festive food. And after that, we're going to head to the reindeer stables and actually see the reindeer that's going to be pulling Santa's sleigh. And then finally, meeting the main man himself, Father Christmas. So now let's rewind to the very beginning and take you back to where it all started. Right, so we've just arrived in, what was it called, the wood?
The Whispering Wood.
We're in the Whispering Wood. We've just checked in, ready for our reindeer tour.
Sherry, hi! Welcome to the Whispering Woods. My name is Tinny, upside down Tinny. Oliver. Welcome to this lovely name.
Wow.
It's cool in here, isn't it? Hey, what do you think of it, Ed?
This is cool.
It is cool, isn't it?
This is so cool.
Really cool.
So we have a wander around, and so we have to go through our reindeer tour.
So currently, Ollie's allowing the big folk to be able to go with him on this tour, and he's been given some jingles as well by Tinny, the elf.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Let's have a quick look at these jingles. Oh, look at that. They're cool.
And a passport.
And a passport.
Should we look at your passport? What you need to do? I'll hold your jingles. It's a travel passport. So we have a walk around.
Yeah, let's have a bit of a look, because this seems to be like a bit of a holding type of area here before we head through.
He wants to spend his jingles straight away.
Yeah, I bet he does. But look at this place. Fantastic. Santa's got some sleek merch here. So you've got your hats, your mittens, your scarves, your gloves, woodland creatures, yep. Elves. Look at these Lapland hats. Right, so they've just called the 3:30 reindeer tour. Just before we head over, just going to quickly head over to what was the plum pantry, just to show you. Oh, look at that, they've got like croissants here, marshmallow sticks. We've also got some mince pies, some cookies.
This is so cool. I want to spend longer in here.
Okay, so here we go, we're moving in now.
You know, so you could get either husky or reindeer.
Let's go reindeer.
Yeah, we got reindeer, so look.
Oh, look, there's Rudy, look, this is us. Wow, look at this elf council. I love the details that they've got, like, look at the owls.
Excuse me, Jing. When the sparrows tell you the juiciest gossip, one simply must listen.
Well, while you were whispering with the winged mischief makers, I had our elf passport stamped ready for our journey to Lapland today.
Good afternoon, small folk, and welcome to the elves' secret forest.
You see, elves call children small folk and grown-ups big folk.
Now, I understand that we have some of the very best small folk invited by Father Christmas to journey to Lapland today too. Is that right, small folk? Yes. Marvellous. Father Christmas has told us of his extremely clever plan to invite the very best small folk of the world to come and help the elves finish all the toys in time for Christmas.
Rule number 1 states no grumpalums are allowed in Lapland.
Indeed, Porter. Grumpiness will upset the happy elves.
This is serious. I'd say there's a 92.7% chance we're dealing with the grumpiest of grumpalums.
And what might your name be, Grumpalump?
Such a grumpy name indeed. Oh, I think we're going to enjoy this one.
Yes. Now, all you need to do now is on my mark, swing your arms, raise your knees, and with a happy wide grin.
Just like that.
How we love to skip and sing in the most enchanting way! In the most enchanting way! Hey! So Ollie has been given a very important task. He's been given Conker's case, haven't you?
Yeah.
And I've got a very important job for you. So this is Conker's case. And Conker needs it over in the toy factory. You hold on to this for me and make sure Conker gets it over in the toy factory. Yeah. Oh, very good. Jingling. Oh, Oliver. Can I get a big elf wave like this? Oh, that's it, that's it. Cheery bye, everybody.
Cheery bye.
My name is Seth, and you must be a very special small folk. Oil your fingers and squash your nose. Blink 3 times. Oh, your toes. We're Eekos friends with a happy wine drink. So open the door and let us in.
Forest enchanted, let our wishes be granted.
Your wishes are working, small folk. The doorway to Lapland is opening.
Mate, I think we're going into the toy factory. To wish is to believe.
I have to like kind of duck in that it.
We're inside his toy shop.
Not gonna lie, I've always wanted to know what his toy factory looked like. I never knew. I was your age. This is cool. How cool is this?
This is so cool.
Now, my dear friends, welcome. My name is Whittle, and I am in charge of the Lapland toy factory. I was there. Honestly, Conker, you startled me worse than a black berry bush.
Right, so whilst we've got a few seconds, we are now in Santa's toy
We're
shop.
actually in his toy shop. How crazy is that?
Yeah,
Ollie's just done the most important job of the whole day.
So we're basically building polar bears for Santa Claus, but they were missing a heart. Who had the heart?
I did.
You had the heart.
Has anyone seen a small case? Oh, Tonga! Tonga over there! That's it! Oh,
yes.
Thank you. What's your name, small folk?
Oliver.
Oliver! Thank you, Oliver! Oh, well done, Oliver! You saved it! Now let's finish making those polar bears.
Well done, it.
Yeah.
Right? So now we best get making some polar bears. When we're finished, we drop them off over here on the conveyor belt.
At the little Rudy herd! Off you go!
Yes! Yes! Let's do the cat! Everyone's in!
And then we'll take it. Do you realise you just made a polar bear for another kid?
Yeah.
That was going to be someone's Christmas present.
I know.
You wish is you believe!
Right, so I believe we're now heading to make gingerbread, aren't we all?
Yeah.
Just out of the Santa's toy factory. That was brilliant. I can't believe you got to make a polar bear.
That I will definitely be asking for Christmas. It was really good, to be honest.
Was it?
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed watching you do it. Couldn't get that ear to stick though, could we?
And that tail fell off.
And his tail fell off and rolled away.
Gingerbread's our favourite treat. When our work is done, it's what we like to eat. I sing every word. It's such a sticky mess. So how we love to wonder Christmas is the best. Oh, Christmas is the best. Yay!
So now that we're in the Lapland Bakery, we are about to decorate our own gingerbread. And what's cool about this is you get to take it home with you.
Open
And
it
it has its own little Lapland Bakery box. And then at the top there it says see underneath for a gingerbread recipe. And there it is.
She's telling everybody, roll it, warm it up, and then it will come out easier. So I've warmed it up for you. Now you see what you're going to do? Where have you got to put the ice in?
Oh, my dear elves. And so many busy little bakers we have with us today. Father Christmas has told me about each and every one of you that he chose to come and help the elves finish their toy making.
There you go. There's all these gingerbread.
That gingerbread is good.
Gather your belongings, small folk, hold tightly to your big folk, and follow me to the Elven Village.
What is this here?
Oh my god, this ice skating.
Wow, that's unbelievable.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
I'm ice skating on using the penguin because I'm not like ice skating yet, am I?
Okay, so we're now in the Elven Village, where there's ice skating, which we've just found out. This is mint. Honestly, this is blowing me away, this. Unbelievable.
There's a whole village right now. So this is where we can do as we want until the time on the back of this stamp. It tells you your time you can first leave and the time that you have to leave.
Okay.
What time is it?
The back.
On the back.
Okay, so it's 6 to 6:30.
And it's now 5 PM, so we got an hour to an hour and a half in here.
Does anyone else get the feeling that like doing the ice skating isn't as magical as thinking about the ice skating?
100%.
Oh, you spend the entire time like. So I'm going to give you a quick whistle-stop tour of the Elven Village. So just as you come in, you've got pumpernickels, which is all your food. They serve basically burgers, hot dogs and pizza. And then to the left-hand side over here, you've got the Lapland Bakery. Look at these. So you got like the cinnamon swirls, some cookies, mince pies. Look at them reindeer cupcakes, they're cool. Look at the design on the cup and everything though.
Would you like some chocolate straw? Chocolate.
Don't like straw.
Ooh, it's good. The setup in here is fantastic. Looks absolutely incredible. The way they've been able to get the mood spot on here is fantastic. As you go past the food on the right hand side, you've got the store. That's the elf store where you're going to spend all your jingles. Little Lapland photo opportunity here. Then you've got the Lapland Elven Postal Service there. Wow. Look at this. Look at all these, all the different letters to Santa and all the different languages. All in the postal service.
Daddy, come through the little door. It's overgrown.
I'm not doing it, mate. I'm not taking that risk. I don't want Santa to shout at me. Ange doesn't care though, look at it go. That's true, you are an elf, so, you know. I thought they'd recruit you here, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie. Just right inside of the postal service is Fable's Library. Look at this, this is where you can get all the books.
All the books you can buy. It's a tale of conquer and all the different elves.
And as you go past the postal service, you've got all your ice skating here on your left hand side. And then to the right, you've got a little sweet shop. And then to the left hand side of that, you've got another shop, but this one is like your bauble shop, your Christmas ornaments and everything like that. And that's pretty much it for your Elven Village. It's time to say cheery bye to the Elven Village.
Cheery bye. I don't want to leave.
It's like you holding on to the post the first time we went to
Castaway.
Time to go meet Santa. Oh my god, we're gonna see little Rudy. Oh my god, we're gonna see little Rudy. It's little Rudy. Look over there. Look over there. It's little Rudy.
Oh, little Rudy.
Oh, he's so cute.
Cupid and Prancers. Nice. So we're now in the reindeer hut. You get to see everything that's around here.
Santa's working on a new vehicle. Reindeer riding.
So look, you can see they've got the two reindeer here. You've got Rudy in the background as well. And then this is the shoot that Santa starts his tasks on Christmas Eve. We're all checked in ready to see Santa.
Yeah, Ollie's so excited. They said there's going to be a magical surprise, perhaps.
Of course he's excited. He thinks he's getting a present.
I mean, I'm going to say probably.
Yeah, it's really cool. So you checked in, didn't you? Had a quick word with his elves, make sure we're all ready.
We are.
Yeah, so we're going to head in. Next thing you'll see is his meeting Santa.
No, come on in.
There we go. Oh,
Oliver, do come in.
Cheery hi.
Please join us over here. Come and have a seat. Hello, big folk. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you, Santa?
Oh, I was just having a little nap then. But thank you for waking me up. How are you? Have you enjoyed yourself today?
Yeah.
This is Star Jump, our lovely elf.
Cheery eye.
And Star Jump has been very good recently, so we awarded her
Christmas.
a golden bell. Give a
Yes.
little shake.
Yes, I have one as well.
Now we'd like to do the same for you. Would you be an honorary elf for the day? Because we're going to award you the golden bell. How about that? Now, the golden bell is very special to us because it helped to save Christmas. We're so glad you came to us. Have you been somewhere recently where you've been riding on roller coasters and stuff?
Oh, fancy.
Was it Disney World or somewhere like...
Yeah, Disneyland Paris.
Wow. And have you got the same kind of courage when you're going on a roller coaster as you have on the ice? Were you brave?
No, I'm normally brave for roller coasters.
Yeah, you prefer it.
Yeah, he
You'd
does.
rather ride a roller coaster.
Yeah, he's
I've only
nuts.
ever done one, and that was enough. I think we'll ask the adults, the big folk, if it's okay to give you an early present. What do you think?
Yeah? Yeah, go
Okay
on.
then. We always call our little husky Arca a hero as well. There's more than one hero in Lapland, as you can tell. So we made this because we love Arca and he saved us once from falling through the ice. Star Jump, what do you think? We should capture a
Yes, we should.
memory?
Yes, we
Let's
should.
do that.
Look at the little husky I got. He's kind of
like,
shaking.
no.
He's like, no, I don't want to leave, and he's shaking all the snow off.
No. Back in the woodland.
Back through the portal. Purchases were made.
Wow.
I got him a bed and a collar.
Wow, guys.
What a Christmas day out.
We've been wanting to come here for so long, and
So
finally
many years.
Santa.
Literally sent us a thing, which appeared once I said the elf cancel,
Yeah.
then disappeared,
Yeah.
and then it reappeared on my bed for the second time,
Yep.
and it had the tickets to come here.
Unbelievable.
Unreal.
I had really high expectations to come into Lapland UK.
And I think it might have exceeded them.
Oh, by a million.
Yeah.
That was good,
We
right?
have spent over 5 hours here. It was incredible.
Amazing.
Blown away with that.
Yeah. Love it. Till next time.
We'll see you on the next adventure.
Catch you later.
Bye.